If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Okay guys, welcome back to CC Slime. Time, #school. Today, take your seats, and today we will be making crunchy slime, maybe with donuts in it, and donut slime. And you can pick whatever color of paint you want. Now right now, take your seats, and we're gonna be pouring in this glue right here. I'm gonna just pour a little bit in there. Okay. Now the color of paint you want. Want purple? No? Okay, you're getting purple. So I'm gonna pour in just a little bit of just a little bit of paint. And that's it. Now I'm gonna mix this color in. I'm gonna pour just a little bit of glue. Oops. We all make mistakes. Am I right? Here's the slime. It's like a clear purple, and it's my mom's favorite color. Now I'm gonna add in this purple donut that is just right for it. Bye. And now, yeah, I'm not adding those in. I'm gonna mix it. Now here it is, upside down. Looks weird. Still upside down. And here it is, not upside down. Now I'm gonna mix it. Now I need that thingamajig. Oh, here it is. And now I'm gonna pour some activate. Oh wait, I forgot the water that I'm adding in. Just a little bit of it. Oh, that's a lot of it. That was a fail right there because I just put too much water in it, and then I just told myself that I'm not going to put that much water in there, and yeah. I made it watery. I don't want it to be jiggly because I don't want it to be jiggly because I hate jiggly slime. I'm going to pour some Tide in now. Oof. That's a lot. There we go. And I'm gonna oof that again because that's a lot too. Yay. And that's gross. I don't know why I felt it yet. And yeah, I guess. You like your slime? No, I didn't think so. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna mix. Row your boat gently down the stream. Life is such a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Life is such a dream. Okay. Put this, but it's gonna be fine. Now I'm gonna go in with my, no I'm not. I'm gonna still mix it. I was about to say I'm gonna go in with my hands though. Oof. Guys, Oof is such a great name, right? I should probably name my dog that. Oof Pepper. Because we want to name it Pepper. I should name it Pepper Oofager. Pepper the Oof. The last name should be Pepper, and the last name should be Oof. Pepper Oof. Like it? Now I'm just kneading it. Knead it. Oh, I heard it. And knead it. And my hands hurt. And it really hurt. And it really hurt. Oh yes they do. Oh yes they do. And I need activator. Oh no. It's falling. Please send help. I told you, it's falling. Help me. Okay, yeah. It was just falling right there, but no one helped me, so I helped myself. Thanks a lot. Just thanks. And I think if you unsubscribe, that's gonna be a bad idea. Anyone unsubscribes in my classroom, you are my friends, that's gonna be a bad idea. I'm talking to you, Paris, Isabella, Brooklyn, and Samira. Even my teacher, if you subscribe. I mean, JK. Poop. My grandma just said, what word rhymes with something? I said poop. You probably hear her in the background. She's laughing right now. Okay, this is bad. It's very sticky. I'm just gonna go on to the next one now, and the next student. What's your name? Oh wait, what's your name? Joey? Joey Fattar? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. And so I'm just gonna go on to the other person now. And yeah, I'm just gonna go on to the other person now. Okay, I'm gonna be pouring in the stuff now. Oof. And do you wanna make a jiggly slime? No? Okay, we're not making the jiggly slime because I hate jiggly. If you wanted to, get out of my class. How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? How about that? You want, oopsie. Do you want teal? Or this blue? Or pink? Teal? Are all the donuts in there? Okay. There's one on the ground, I just know it. There we go. I'm gonna add teal and blue, because if I don't like teal, this teal, it's gonna be, I have to like it too, just so you know. Whoa! It looks so dark from out here, but it looks so light in there. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to go over that. You want it teal? Okay. Just add a little bit, there we go. And now I got paint on my finger. Just stamps. And I need another spoon. Hold on. Oh, tripped over some shoes there. Okay, you feel me? You feel me? Talk one more time. I dare you. Okay, whoa. Okay, I'm back and I found 1, 2 more. And I think these are all little boots. So I'm finally back. And I see my donuts and my bees everywhere. Oh Lord. And I'm gonna have to yeah, they dripped they went everywhere. I'm gonna add a little bit more teal. A little bit more. Yeah, add a little bit more teal in there. As you can see. I added actually a lot of teal, but he doesn't know that. So yeah, he's at the bathroom. So I'm making his slime. What? Oh, you're her? Oh, I'm sorry. So what's your name? Katie? Katy Perry? Kalina? Kalina? I don't know how to say your name. Kalina Campbell? Okay. What is your name, singers? What's your name for real? Cardi? Cardi B. Seriously? Okay. Drake? Drake the girl. I ain't messing with you, girl. You Drake? You Cardi B? Kalina Campbell? Or Katy Perry? Say one. No Cardi B? Okay. Jesus! Could you said that in the first place? That was kind of quiet. That's what my school does. What kind of stuff is this? Okay. That's just weird slime there. Like, look at this slime. And then you look at this slime. It's activating special slime. Oh, I thought slime would get on my hand if I did that. I think I'm not gonna go into my hand right. Oh wait, I forgot the water. I just went straight to the stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add some water in. Let me activate it. Yeah, it's kind of activated. I'm gonna activate it. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Activate, activate, activate. If I'm gonna sing it. Activate, activate. Yes. I'm not gonna put it in. The good ones. Add a little bit in here. Just a little bit. Not a psychopath, and I did not use the one here like I did in there. And yeah. Just a little. I did not. Oh! I mixed the slimes! It's okay. At least it got in purple. Okay, you're sticking it. Cause you just added water, duh. Yeah. Okay, so this is red. I can see. I need a lot of activator. Yes, okay. No. Guys, I'm gonna have to have a quiet moment and just listen to this. Guts. Just awesome guts. There we go. I need help. Slime on side. You like it, guys? There's a lot of meaty stuff sticking out, but you like it? Yeah, I still gotta activate this. Full hands, people think that, oh yeah, that's really good slime. No. You thought wrong. Slime in hands can be sticky sometimes. Like his slime. Wait, I mean her slime. Is she still in the bathroom? Okay. I'm just gonna leave her there, and then I'm just gonna keep the slime, I guess. So I'm gonna keep this blue slime. That's my favorite color. I made me and my mom's favorite slime. Well, yeah, I kind of made her slime too. And yeah, pretty good slime now since I helped with it. Well, I made it. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, help me, help me. I need to be in the choir. Oh Lord. I don't want to get my hair in it. I think I'm going to do this in bowl now. That means on table though. This is glass. It's probably going to make some noise. But let's see. Yeah, they're both kind of soft, I guess. I'm going to do this one on the table right now. Ooh. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of purple in there. Yeah. There we go. 2 drops of purple. I don't want to mess the vibe up. I don't want to mess. Hey, look! Someone came in my door! And that is my slime. Well, class, just wait for John. I mean, Cardi B. Well, I hope you guys and subscribe to this slime and this slime.